So the first KWGT widget, and by far my favorite, is Shadow KWGT. I've used this widget pack the most in my home screen setups simply because it looks super clean and it does not really require too much of wallpaper hunting because it usually looks good on simple white or black wallpapers. The widgets are so nicely designed that it just about takes the right amount of space on your home screen and they all look super balanced. Now there are about 60 widgets in a mix of black and white color themes, and so you can decide one basis what you feel best or are in the mood for. Widgets are all super easy to customize, so that's great. And as you just saw, it was that simple to change and customize a widget. I absolutely adore all the widgets in this widget pack. It's for about $1 or $1.50, but again, it's totally worth it just because it makes home screen setup and customization so easy with their wholesome widgets. And it comes with its own set of matching wallpapers that the widgets go really well with, so it really saves you the whole job of hunting for wallpapers. And guys, before we move on, it'll mean so much to me if you could just subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon. It helps me sustain the channel and grow it even more. And now let's move on. The next one is called Minty KWGT widget pack, and again, they just look so gorgeous. I mean, the soft shadows on plain simple backgrounds, they really make the widget stand out and look beautiful. The widgets also come with a dash of material colors, as you can see, and that is a pretty distinguishing and unique feature about Minty KWGT. Now you can just go right ahead and change the widgets without doing too much because they're all so well packaged and balanced that you don't really require too much work. They're all very well done in my opinion, and it's just my go-to widget pack now if I quickly want to get a new, refreshed look on my home screen without thinking or putting in too much effort. Now, there are 41 widgets in this pack and it sells for again somewhere between $1 and $1.50, but I do have 30 promo codes, so all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and DM me there asking me for promo codes. And now this next one, it's called Sugarcube's KWGT widget pack, and it's based on card type typographical styles with material colors. Now the best thing about this widget pack is the energy and the vibe that it gives to your home screen setup given its flashy and vibrant colors. It's got this beautiful and gentle typo, and just the fact that it goes better with wallpapers that are of similar vibrant colors just makes it look really fresh. Now the app comes with about 26 widgets for now, and it sells for about $1.50. But again, I do have 25 promo codes to give away to you guys. So make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, you follow me on Instagram, and DM me there asking me for promo codes to Sugarcube's KWGT widget pack. Again, I'll hand them all over on first come first serve basis. Just one thing, with Sugarcube's KWGT, you might find it difficult to find wallpapers that go really well with the widget pack, so I recommend that you install Lit Walls and go to the Apple section, and you will find some wallpapers that really go very well with that widget pack, and you can do your magic accordingly. Coming up next is Tusk KWGT, another widget pack that's actually quite close to what we saw with the Shadow KWGT. It's again got beautiful variants of gradient-based neuromorphic design elements that look super classy and elegant. Now personally, I really love gradients, and this widget pack is full of really vibrant gradient patterns. And just like Shadow KWGT, this one too has a mix of white and black theme widgets, so you can go to the bright or the dark side as you please. This widget pack only has 25 widgets at the moment, but it'll keep growing. So it sells for about $1.50 on the Play Store. But again, I do have 25 promo codes to give away to you guys. So just follow me on Instagram and DM me there asking me for promo codes to Tusk KWGT. And the last one on the list is Lucent KWGT widgets. And I love how flexible this widget pack is. Given most of its widgets have a translucent effect, they can be applied to almost any kind of wallpaper. However, they go best with minimal gradient-based wallpapers. These widgets are good to use right off the bat. Now the best thing about this widget pack is its sheer volume and variety. There are 135 widgets that you can choose from, and all of that in less than $1. Now the good news is, again, I do have 25 promo codes to give away to you guys, so you know what to do. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and DM me there asking me for promo codes to Lucent KWGT widgets specifically, and I'll give them out to you. And those were my 5 favorite KWGT widget packs for the year 2020, and I've used them thoroughly across all my home screen setups and customizations that I often show. Now, I know a lot of you might feel, hey, none of them are actually free, they're all paid, But guys, again, it doesn't cost a lot. It's just about $1 or $2 at most. It costs less than a cup of coffee, and it's a great way to support these developers so they can continue to make these beautiful widgets for you guys. Now, one more thing. A lot of you come on to my Instagram asking me for promo codes, and then you come back to me saying, hey, I need KWGT Widget Pro for that. Well, yes, you need KWGT widgets and the unlock key, which I think costs about $3 or $4, to be able to use these custom widget packs. It's a must, and I've done a video explaining how to use KWGT widgets with the Pro version. So there's a video on the top right corner. Check it out. And if you want wallpapers to these home screen setups, I'll leave the link in the description below so you can get those wallpapers. About the home screen setups and their Nova backups, I'll create a whole new video about these 5 setups, and I'll give you all the resources you need, including the widgets exports along with the Nova backup file. Anyway, I hope all of this was helpful and you've enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next one.